Hello friends, let's compare the sliding gate and the cantilever gate to choose the one suitable for you. Firstly, let's take a look at the sliding gate. The sliding gate needs to run on the flat ground with rails, and we can control the sliding gate by the remote controller. Cantilever gate can be applied in ground not flat with snow or ice. The cantilever gate needs a back pull rod to keep the gate body balanced, so it needs more space to retract. The sliding gate does not need back pull rod, so the sliding gate saves space to access. We need to install the gate by 2 points. The motor runs the cantilever gate trackless. There are 2 groups of carriage wheels inside the bottom bin of gate body, so it runs trackless. And we need to fix the bases of the gate by 3 points. The cantilever gate comes with the U-shaped post as standard, and the sliding gate comes with the single post as standard. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.